Assuming you don't have vanilla vodka at home, so you can infuse your own. Put 1 or 2 vanilla beans into your favorite bottle of vodka, keep it there for a day or two, but for maximum flavor it should sit for a week. Pour 1.5 ounce in a shaker. Now we need passion fruit juice, which you should be able easily to find in overpriced Whole Foods, also 1.5 ounce. For sweetness, the best and inexpensive way to use passion fruit infused syrup. It tastes great, gives this drink attractive color and aroma. Oh, and yeah, fresh passion fruit is probably the most expensive fruit. I paid $30 for 10 pieces. Yep. Well, lucky if you live in Brazil, India, Philippines or Indonesia. That's where the passion fruit comes from. Fill up shaker with ice and I will shake it carefully with my limited edition, actually one of a kind shaker for about 15 seconds. Not every kitchen have fancy coupe glasses, so martini glass will totally work. I keep mine in a freezer, but you can just chill it with ice before straining cocktails from the shaker. Garnish supposed to be fresh passion fruit, but vanilla bean from your pantry will work. It also comes with a shot of champagne on the side. Well, for this version, any sparkling wine will go just fine. Simple, fast and absolutely delicious. Before we get to pro version, let's do a quick history check. Pornstar Martini is a super famous cocktail that was created in 2003 at the Lab bar in London by bartender Douglas Ankrah. Fun fact that it actually took him 15 minutes only to create it. It was an instant hit and became a modern classic. Now let's try to get as close as possible to original version. First we need to make a passion fruit puree. As I mentioned, this unique tart fruit will make it one of the most expensive drinks you mixed at home. At the Lab bar they used pumpkin passion fruit puree, which give rich texture to this cocktail. Use pulp from a couple of fruits. For the sweetener, Douglas Ankrah used a simple house-made vanilla sugar. We will use house-made simple vanilla syrup, which basically simple syrup infused with vanilla beans or vanilla extract. Depends how sweet you like. Pour 3/4 to 1 ounce. Both yellow pulp and seeds are edible. I tried to do dry shake, but that version wasn't as great as when I blended it. So let's blend it for about 20 seconds. I'm making enough just for one drink and would recommend to make puree right before you make this cocktail. Shouldn't keep it in the refrigerator for more than a day or two max. Originally it was made with Swedish wheat vodka, Carriel vanilla, but Absolute vanilla vodka is the bomb. I don't need to sell my car, so I can afford delivery here to US. For 1.5 ounce. Next, 3/4 ounce of Paso. It's a passion fruit liqueur to add aroma and brightness. Add 1.5 ounce of our fresh passion fruit puree. Fill up shaker with ice cubes and give it an extra shake since we added puree and syrup. Strain everything into the chilled coupe glass. For the garnish we need sliced open passion fruit. Pour a shot of Dom Perignon on the side. Oh hey, give me a like for finding this matching glass that I used for a shot of champagne. I can't describe to you how perfectly match vanilla and passion fruit. This one of course more tart because of fresh passion fruit. It's truly incredible creation. It's being served with a side of champagne is supposed to alternate with the cocktail as a palate cleanser, but mix it in if you prefer. Well, let me know in the comments which way do you like to drink your Pornstar Martini. By the way, I put garnish on the outside, but in the original version it should be inside. For expert version, let's make a frozen ice shot first. Pour filtered water into ice mold and keep it in the freezer for 24 hours. Let's make plenty of crushed ice. We will need it to turn Pornstar Martini into slushy cocktail and also keep ice shots from melting fast. Pour in a blender 1.5 ounce of vanilla vodka. Next, 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup. 3/4 of amaretto or hazelnut liquor also will be perfect in this version. I need fresh lime juice, so let's roll our Mexican lime and squeeze 3/4 ounce. Add couple full scoops of crushed ice and blend it until it becomes slushy. I will use this cup from Game of Thrones and pour our almost finished Pornstar Martini in it. Fill up another cup with crushed ice, so our ice shot would be sitting comfortably there. Pour shot of Cristal. Yeah, why not? You're making it for someone special, not for yourself, right? And after you add small piece of fresh passion fruit, this will become the best slushy Pornstar Martini for the summertime. Pool require it, but please drink responsibly.